Saregama.com.
Next question is, if Q01 is equidistant, if Q01, the point Q01 is equidistant from P5 minus 3 and Rx6, find the values of x. Find the values of x. Also, we have to find the distances. Also find QR and PR distances. QR and PR. We have to find out the distances also. First of all, they are given a condition. A point Q01 is equidistant from P5 minus 3 and Rx6. Draw a rough sketch for the given question. It is Q01. We can make here Q01. The point Q01 is here. And it is equidistant from another 2 points. Draw like this. Here it is P and here it is R. The coordinates of P is 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 and coordinate of R is equal to x6. x6. Since Q01 is equidistant, we are starting. Since Q01 is equidistant, means with equal distance, distant from P5 minus 3 and Rx6, we have the condition PQ is equal to RQ. PQ is equal to RQ or QP is equal to QR. QP is equal to QR. Here also we can take square on both sides, squaring both sides, we can avoid the radical sign. That means, therefore, QP square is equal to QR square. That means 5 minus 0 the whole square. 5 minus 0 the whole square plus minus 3 minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 the whole square is equal to, now QR. QR is x minus 0 the whole square. X minus 0 the whole square plus 6 minus 1 the whole square. 6 minus 1 the whole square. 5 minus 0 the whole square is 5 square, which is equal to 25, plus minus 3 minus 1 which is equal to minus 4 the whole square, which is 16. Minus 4 square is equal to 16. X minus 0 is x itself and its square is x square. Now 6 minus 1 is equal to plus 5 and its square is equal to 25. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 5 square is equal to 25. Now here is 25 and here also it is plus 25. That means same quantity on either side of the equal sign, that can be cancelled. We can cancel this 25 and this 25. The remaining result is x square is equal to 16. X square is equal to 16 means x is equal to root of 16. It is plus 4 or minus 4. The value of x is equal to plus or minus 4. That means x is equal to 4 or minus 4. We are getting two values for x which are 4 and minus 4, because square of 4 is equal to 16 and the square of minus 4 is also 16. So we are getting two values for x. First part is over. Now we have to find out the value of QR and PR. Here also we must use the two values. If x is equal to 4, the point R becomes, R is equal to 4, 6, and Q is equal to 0, 1. Now the length of QR, therefore QR is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square is equal to root of x1, y1, x2, y2 or x2, y2, x1, y1. Anything is correct. 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 the whole square plus 6 minus 1 the whole square. That is equal to 4 minus 0 is 4 itself and square is 16 plus 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 5 square is 25 and it is root of 41. 41 is not a perfect square, therefore write the value of QR as root 41. QR is equal to root 41 and QP. We are not asked and we have to find PR. Now we have to find this distance PR. PR is equal to root of, then the value of P is equal to 5 minus 3. P is equal to 5 minus 3 and R is equal to 4, 6. Therefore, PR is equal to root of 5 minus 4 the whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 by 2 minus y1 minus 3 minus 6 the whole square. This is equal to 5 minus 4 is 1 square, minus 3 minus 6 is equal to minus 9 the whole square, which is equal to 1 square is 1, minus 9 square is 81 and the value is root of 82. Root of 82 is one value of PR. We take the value as x is equal to 4 and if x is equal to minus 4, if x is equal to minus 4, now R becomes the point R is equal to minus 4, 6 and P is equal to 5 minus 3. P is equal to 5 minus 3. Now PR is equal to, the distance PR is equal to root of minus 4 minus 5. Minus 4 minus 5 the whole square plus 6 minus 3. That means 6 plus 3 the whole square. This is equal to minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9 square plus 9 square, which is equal to 81 plus 81. Square of minus 9 is 81 and the square of 9 is also 81, which is equal to root of 162. Splitting, it is 81 into 2, the value is 9 root 2. The value of PR is equal to 9 root 2. PR is equal to 9 root 2 units. And if it is minus 4, 6, the value of QR will be same. X is equal to minus 4. When x is equal to 4 and minus 4, the value of QR will be same because 0 minus 4 is equal to minus 4 and 0 plus 4 is equal to plus 4. Square of minus 4 is also 16 and the square of plus 4 is also 16. So, the value, when the value of x is equal to 4 or minus 4, QR, the value of QR will be same. So, the value will change when x is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to 4, the value of PR will be changed. So, we are getting two values for PR. One value of PR is root 82 and the second value of PR is 9 root 2. The two values are different because we are getting the value of x as 4 and minus 4. With these two values, we are finding the length of PR. We are getting two different lengths. One is root 82 and the second one is 9 root 2. Okay.